activity, okay?
8.
Sorry. Okay.
14.
9.
Teacher.
10.
Desk.
Okay, pause the video and you have some minutes to complete the activity. Okay, let's take out a red color and let's check the answers, okay? Number 1, red. Number 2, green. Number 3, green. Number 4, red. Number 5, red. Number 6, green. Number 7, red. Number 8, green. Number 9, green. And number 10, red. And here you have, okay? So please check your answers. Here are the colors, the name of the picture and the colors to check. Good job, kids. Okay, let's continue with activity 9, find the words. What's this? Yes, it's a snake. And here you have words, okay? Example, what's this? It's a bus. Very good. B-U-S, bus. You circle and you click. Okay, the same with the other pictures. For example, what's this? It's a school. Very good. Find the word school here and you tick. When you finish to find these words, you answer the questions. How many colors are there? And here you have the word colors. What are they? And here you write the word colors. Okay, pause the video and begin the activity. Have you finished? Excellent. Take out a red color. Let's check the answers. School, S-C-H-O-O-L. Leg, L-E-G, leg. Eraser, E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser. Desk, D-E-S-K, desk. And ruler, okay, ruler, R-G-L-E-R, ruler. Okay, these are the words. Now the answers. How many colors are there? There are 4 colors. What are they? Gray, yellow, white, red. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 colors. And here are the colors. Gray, yellow, white, and red. Okay. Good job. Okay, do you like stories? Now you are going to listen and watch a story. Please pay attention to the E sound words, okay?
If you see a double E, then say E. If you see a double E, then say E. If you see a double E, then repeat after me. If I see a double E, I'll say E.
Hey!
No, you're supposed to say E.
Oh, sorry. E.
E. Sheep. Pete cannot sleep. Pete needs help. Think of sheep, says Mom. One, 2, 3 sheep, says Pete. Then Pete sees sheep. The sheep run past the tree. At last, Pete can sleep.
Okay, good. Okay, now try to remember the words with E sound in the story Pete's Sheep. Okay, tell me. Sheep, very good. Sleep, needs, 3, sees, tree, Pete. Very good. Okay, good. These are some of the words, okay? Good. These are the words. Excellent, kids. Okay, and now the homework. You are going to do your homework in the yellow notebook, okay? This is for homework. You write the date, April 21st, 2020, okay? Then the title, long E, and you write words with long E. 3, sheep, tree, sleep. Okay? Tea, eat, read, and teacher. This is for homework. The title, the date, the title, and the 8 words with E sound. You are going to do this homework in your yellow notebook. Okay, that's all, kids. See you next class. Remember, stay at home, keep safe. A big kiss for you.